Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. In this 8-inch MDF board, we are going to create a beautiful dot mandala and I'm going to give you all the measurements step by step. I found the center. Now I'll draw random circles but I'll measure and give you the radius. I drew 4 circles. The measurement is 1, 2, 3, 5 and 1, 2, 3, 5 is in centimeters. I'll start with dotting in the center in bronze. I'll keep some dots in aqua green. Now I'll keep side swipes. I'll keep some marine blue dots. I'll keep tiny dots in marine blue. I'll keep some plumpy bronze dots. I'll make these dots into swipes. I don't know if you call this mirror as an eye shape or a leaf shape, whatever shape it is. I'm going to draw an outline. I'll keep bronze dots. I'll work the dots in bronze. I'll keep some aqua green dots. I'll work the dots in aqua green. And put Fevicol in all these places. I'll keep marine blue dots. Let me keep some brush strokes. I'll keep lumpy dots in bronze. I'll keep some side swipes using marine blue. I'll keep some marine blue dots. Somehow I love this color combination. I'm sure this mandala came out really well. And do let me know in the comments if my instructions were clear for you to recreate the artwork. Thank you for watching this video.